stopping it now. I'm on a mission and it's